Hello everybody, how are you? Look what I got. I got a beautiful gift from ShanZu Chef. ShanZu Chef, they specialize in cutlery and they sent me this beautiful kit of Whetstone knife sharpening kit, and I will open it with you. So let's see what's in here. Let's open it. Beautiful, beautiful. I see two Whetstones. One is white and one is darker, almost red. Let's take the red one out, and I think this one is 1,000 grit. Nice. And the white one is 5,000 grit. And those are knife sharpening stones. They are packed in plastic, so we'll open it in a while. This is guiding tool. I think you put that on the knife and then you get the right angle for sharpening. And this is a flattening or something like that. I'll look into it later. Alright, so this is a beautiful non-skid box, because when you sharpen the knife, you don't want the box to be skidding. And let's take that out too. Beautiful box, and I'm beginning to like this sharpening kit. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still admiring the wood. Nice. Their name is carved into it, Shan Zu. You will find the link in the description. Alright guys, time to open those stones, the sharpening stones. Let's start with the white one. To my understanding, the white stone is for finer sharpening, for the knives that are not too old or too dull or broken. And we are supposed to soak them for, let's say, 15 to 30 minutes, because they are new and they are going to soak up a lot of water. I can see the bubbles coming out. That means the stone is soaking up the water. Yep. Okay, let's open this one too. Let's open this one. इसको भी खोलते हैं. ये शार्पनिंग स्टोन्स हैं दोनों. एक 1000 ग्रिट का है और एक 5000 ग्रिट का है. 1000 ग्रिट वाला रफ नाइफ के लिए, पुरानी छुरियों के लिए, उसको इसे शार्प करेंगे, और वाइट से फाइनर को. Okay, while the stones are being soaked, they're soaking up the water. Let's try the angle tool. Careful with the knife, always careful with the knife. This is my old knife. This is 5 years old, so I'm going to sharpen it on the red stone. I will start with this one. Okay guys, so the stone is nicely soaked. It soaked up as much water as it could. Let's put it back on the holder. Okay, there you go. Now this one. Okay, so someone told me that you should put 3 or 4 pennies underneath the knife to get the right angle for sharpening. So that's why this little tool is, ये छोटा सा tool है, ये हमें बताने के लिए है कि नाइफ की एंगल क्या होनी चाहिए जब हम उसको शार्प करें. 3 या 4 पेनीज रख के तो जो एंगल बनता है उस पर शार्प करते हैं. Let's start sharpening this. Nice, good feel. I can feel that the knife is being sharpened. 3 pennies angle, 3 pennies, and put your fingers up there and start from the top of the knife to go to the heel. ऊपर से start करके नीचे तक हमने उसको करना है sharp. This is my 1-year-old knife. I'm just going to sharpen it few minutes on this one, then I'll sharpen it on the white one. ये मेरी 1-year-old knife है. Okay, there you go. अब उसको इस पे sharp कर लेंगे, white stone पे. You can see the black stuff coming. That's the That's the sign that the knife is being sharpened properly. I'm not perfect, I don't know. This is my first time using the whetstone, so if I'm making mistakes, just ignore it. I'll get better. That's my first whetstone. Thank you, ShanZu. Alright guys, so knives are sharp and they're cutting the paper. Again, I'm told if a knife is sharp enough, it can cut a paper, so I did. And let's cut onions. Nice, 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 nice. See, that's my old knife, cutting perfectly. That's the new knife, the 1-year-old, cutting again. Very nice, just like butter. I'm slicing the onions. So yes, I like it. I like the whetstone. I know. So guys, go check it out. And if you like it, go ahead, buy them. They are affordable and it's a very good thing to have. Thank you for watching. Thank you, ShanZu Chef. Thank you guys, everybody. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.